Alright, so here is part 4. I am literally dying inside. It is pretty close to dark out. Stop sign. It's pretty close to dark out. And I'm still out here working on a dang tire. Let's continue. Alright. See you back where you are. So, you gotta take your knife and score the area. You gotta go up and down, left to right. Diagonally. Gotta do every which direction. Don't forget this step. Otherwise, it won't work. And now, you just take your hot glue and you cover up the holes. I'll catch y'all after it's done. Alright, so we got it. It doesn't look too bad, but it is most definitely not the best one I've done. We're gonna put some air in it, and we're gonna see if it held up, and I'm gonna show y'all a little trick for putting it back on there easier. Alright, so somewhere in here, there's still a leak. I got a sneaky suspicion. I know where it's at, but I'm not 100% certain, so I'm just gonna squirt it. Right there. Which is just a little bit smaller than where the I give up. I'll catch y'all when I finish that. Alright, I believe I've got it now. So we're gonna let that dry for about 5 minutes, make sure everything is actually cooled down and hardened, and then we're gonna put some air in it, and we're gonna see if I fixed it. See y'all in a sec. Alright. Time to start. Pump in the air. It's a heck of a lot better than it was. I'll take it. Now, come Monday, I'm going to be driving on it. We're going to see if it holds. Stay tuned.